iPhone 13. I've tried for a couple of weeks now to get my hands on the standard 13. Finally got my hands on one. I have the 13 Pro Max, and I did an unboxing video for the 13 Pro Max. I have the silver one, which is, you know, silver on the side, but it's basically white. Also have the Sierra Blue. My wife took that one. I wanted to get my hands on a standard 13 and compare the two, and I finally got one. We're gonna unbox this thing. We're gonna open this thing up and see what's inside. I do know that the seal has been broken, but the phone has still never been used. So we're gonna open this thing up and compare the two. Inside the box is no surprise, same as the 13 Pro Max. You've got the phone. This is Starlight. It's a slight gold color. It's more white than gold. You know, the gold of years past was really gold. This is more white with just gold accents. I'm not the biggest fan of the camera setup like this. I did like the past years where the 11 camera was, the 11 and the 12, the camera lenses were vertical. I'm not a big fan of this diagonal camera setup. I do like the 13 Pro Max camera setup, and it's a much bigger phone. But yeah, it's a nice looking phone. This phone retails for $799.99. Let's get that turned on. While we're waiting on it to boot, you get your standard, you know, little booklet with a SIM card ejection tool and your USB-C to lightning cable. Pretty standard stuff. Put the box over to the side. I do miss opening the box up and getting the rapid charger brick. I think they only did that for 1 year before they discontinued the brick altogether. Well, they didn't discontinue the brick, they just stopped giving it to you. I liked it more when you got the bricks because I collect those extra bricks. I've got about 6 of them on a power strip. All right, let's set this thing up. All right, it's activating now. I do like the look of the phone. It feels a little heavier than the 12. I could be mistaken. It looks almost exactly like the 12 except for the camera, but pretty close. No big redesign this year, which I wasn't expecting a redesign. I am a fan of the Pro series and the Pro Max series. I'm curious as to whether or not this 13 series has the same issues with losing Face ID if you change the screen as the 13 Pro and the 13 Pro Max. Like I said, I've been trying to get my hands on the standard 13 and could not because I didn't pre-order them, and was only able to find one. I wasn't able to find a second one. Everything else is pretty much exactly the same. iOS 15 is pre-installed, so it has the same wallpapers. Let's see if there's any specific wallpapers to this series. Yes, absolutely there are. Got this pink one here. That's pretty nice looking. Got this bluish green, purplish pink. That's my favorite so far. It's like a teal bluish green, and then a darker pink. I'm always a sucker for the wallpapers that you might get with these launches because, you know, iOS 15 is going to have its own standard, you know, wallpapers, but I'm a fan of the other wallpapers where you get one specific to this model. So yeah, pretty standard stuff. So it does have a 6.1 inch screen, 12 megapixel rear camera with 4K video camera. Has the A15 Bionic chip. That's pretty standard. The A15 Bionic chip is available in the newest iPads. The iPad Mini, it also has it in the newest iPad Mini, and the 13 Pro and Pro Max both have that same A15 chip. This has 4 gigs of RAM, 3240 milliamp hour battery. This phone retails for $799. So it's much cheaper than the Pro Series. The Pro Series starts at $1,000. Has a Super Retina XDR display, scratch resistant ceramic glass. You know, you can scratch the screen, so put a screen protector on it. So yeah, that's the 13. That's the standard 13. Nothing special. Just a refresh of the 12 if you ask me, but I'm an Apple fanboy, so I'm not going to speak negatively of Apple, but truthfully, if you have a 12, I would not say that it's time to jump up to the 13 because it's pretty much the same phone. What do you guys think? A big upgrade or not very big? If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all take it easy.